Welcome back. It's me, Lauren. Long time no see. I have not recorded because, well, my computer pooped trying to record the last video. Not trying to record, trying to upload and edit. But I'm back. How's everyone doing? I know there's some crazy stuff going on, but I'm just gonna do my everyday makeup and show you guys how I do that. It's the full face of makeup, lashes and all. Just no eyeshadow is basically what I do for my everyday makeup look, but keeping intros short, let's just get right on it. So for starters, I go in and I do my brows first, and I use the Anastasia Brow Definer. It's the bigger one. It's not small like the Brow Wiz is, but I use the color Soft Brown. So let's get right on into that. I'm so used to having a mirror right up in my face, but gonna go underneath, create the line on top. I follow my natural brows and my arc because, well, I got them pretty nicely shaped over the years. So that's just the shape I go with. Granted, my arcs are different. One is more arched, whatever the word is, and one's more like round. So it's just making them sisters, not twins, because I don't think my eyebrows have ever been identical. So this is after outlining the bottom and the top. I fill in basically like middle of the brow down to the tail is what I fill in, and then I use my spoolie and kind of just move around up front so that way you don't have like a hard squared off, because I like mine to be a little bit more natural and faded, if that are the right words to use. And boom! We got an eyebrow on. And that's basically how I do my eyebrows. I'm gonna put this bad boy on. Wow, they look so different. I'm gonna put this eyebrow on, and then I'll come back and cut them. So, alrighty. So we got both brows on. I cannot speak right, talk right, do anything right. So now it's time to cut my brows. We are gonna use some Shape Tape and this little packing brush is what I use for my concealer brush. I think it's both. Basically, you can use different brushes for different things. Everything works. Time to cut. So these are my eyebrows after they are cut and, I don't know, they're cut and done. I was trying to make a joke and that just didn't happen. So now is when I take out my nose ring. But get this face ready and primed. So since my skin is actually like pretty dry, even though I've had moisturizer on it, so I'm going to do a mix of different stuff with my primer, because I used to actually just use the MAC Prep and Prime, and then I started mixing in my Badesco, and I also now have a Per 4-in-1 correcting primer that I got in a boxy chart. So I think I'm going to do this with this on, and then spray a little bit of this to keep my skin hydrated. So. I'm gonna go into my Bobbi Brown. It's my foundation palette. It's got a bunch of concealers and correctors and foundations. They're good foundations. I was expecting it to be bigger for the price I paid for it. I was a little disappointment when it came in the mail. But I'm going to mix. I don't know why I mixed these two colors and not just use this one. It's just something I do. I'm mixing these two colors and it's just going It's just going under my eyes as a little bit of a corrector because we don't know what sleep is. My beauty blender and blend that out. Boom, now we're ready for foundation. So, I actually have two colors of these. This one is the one I have been using, and it looks exactly like my skin color when like you put it on, which is cool. But then you put all your rest of your makeup on, and then you can clearly tell this is darker than the rest of my body. So I was like, when I took the test, I probably just thought I was more tan than I am, which is usually what happens. So I got a new one. This is my color. It goes on and it looks like it's not my color because it is very, very pale. But with after all my makeup, all my other powders and stuff on, and it's set basically, it is truly my color. Now look at that! Now time to conceal. Now we're gonna set our face all over with a Fit Me translucent powder and some banana powder from Ulta under our eyes. Banana powder. It's really gonna cancel the fact that we don't sleep. Now it's contour time. So I use a disc brush that's had hair on it. I use a disc brush, and this is my blush brush. For contour, I use my NARS bronzer and this little bronzer that I got in a BoxyCharm. And for blush, I use this that I also got in a BoxyCharm because it has a really pretty blush on it. I've never liked blush until this one. So, going in with NARS first. I don't put a whole lot of contour on my nose, I just kind of do this. That's about it. And then take the clean brush. That's basically how I contour my nose right there. I don't really, I mean, I could, I don't. I'm actually gonna mix this blush with this 24 karat, this little shimmery blush. Time to bake. So I was gonna just go in with like my normal 2 highlighters and do like a red lip, but I mean, I have this. Yes, I put her back in the box to show you my beauty. But this is the Jeffree Star Extreme Frost Choking on Ice, which I think the most beautiful highlighter I have ever seen in my life. So, instead of doing natural highlighter with a red lip, I've gotta go in with the purple with a nude lip. So, I do start off my highlighting the same way with this. From my beauty. I'm gonna put this glittery liquid frost highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes because I feel like it allows a highlighter to really stick well there. Just take the right on my pinkies. Well, next thing's next is finishing touches. I'm gonna tightline my eyes. So this is kind of my natural my face is purple. Kind of my everyday makeup, just with a purple highlighter because, well, I can't get enough of it. Because it is heavenly and godly, and I'm obsessed with it. I don't use I basically use whatever mascara I like get in my BoxyCharms. Currently it's the Big Ego by Tarte because I wear false lashes anyways, so as long as they make my eyelashes black, I don't care. So I don't know if I want to use these. These are big and new. Or these, which I've been liking because they're a little bit more of a PC look. Or these ones that have been my go-to. So, time to put some lashes on. I'm going to go with a D's. And I use this duo glue. It's not the squeezy clear one. It's got vitamins. Honestly, I've never noticed that. Take this, yeah. Gobble some on. Now, a trick is, a lot of people ask me how I put my lashes on. You have glue on here. Now be patient and let this dry. Because there's no point of putting wet glue on your face. It's gonna get in your eye. It's gonna get all over your lashes. So then when you pull these things off, your lashes are coming with it. So this glue is pretty cool. So it goes on and it looks blue. Don't know if you can tell, but it looks blue. It's like this white blue iridescence in here. It probably just looks white because that's just what it is. But it's blue. So, time to just kind of bend it and get it in shape. Now, I'm actually going to take a little bit of the glue and put it right on my inner corner because inner corners hate to stay down. And you see now, you can barely tell there's any blue on there. Now it's time put this bad boy on. So. While that finishes drying, and so I can play with it more, we're gonna do some natural lipstick. I'll just really outline these clusters right here. So, this is just about my natural makeup, other than the fact that my highlighter is purple. This is just about what I do every day. Not really every day. Anytime I want to do makeup, but I don't have the time or energy to do like a full like eyeshadow. This is just the first palette. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is my normal makeup, my everyday makeup. And I don't know what I'm gonna do today because, well, with everything going around, you can't really leave your house. So I got ready for you guys. Well, that's that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna try and put out more makeup looks and put out more YouTube videos now that I, well, have the time to, because of everything that's going on. So I hope everyone enjoyed this look. Please give it a like and please subscribe if you'd like to see some more of my awkwardness and makeupness and such, and my black dirty gauges that have foundation all over them. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you guys stay safe out there, and see you next time.